today I'm going to be showing you how to make off the shoulder crop top. Okay, so you're going to click Pixlr E to get in, then you're going to click open image, then you're going to go in your files, then you're going to look for the template, the Roblox shirt template that you save or download from wherever you get it from. Then you're going to click new layer, then you're going to use the marquee select, then you're going to just make that box off the shoulder, so you're not going to like start it from the top. You're going to start it from there, and then you're going to make it crop however you want to crop it. Then you're going to select your color. I'm going to use red because I just want it red. Maybe like a darker red though. So I'm going to use click OK. Then I'm going to go to fill. Make sure you're on new layer 2, and I'm just going to fill that in. Then you're going to go to marquee select. Then you're going to start from right there or wherever you want to, but that's not at the top. So, and then when you making the box, do not go all the way to the bottom because that's just the hands, and you don't like that's just the hand, and you don't want that. So you're going to fill that in. Click out of marquee select. Then you're going to go to eraser and then choose the eraser type. So right now I'm gonna just be doing like a decoration at the bottom of the shirt. So make size whatever size you want, just make it small, and then you're gonna zoom in, and you're just gonna make sure you're on new layer 2, by the way. Then you're gonna just click, just do the design, just do whatever design you want. It don't have to be exactly like mine's, but you could just do whatever however you want it to. So when you finish that, you're gonna go to so you could do that if you want, but I'm gonna add a picture. So when I use a picture, I usually make it small, and then I center it so I could actually know where to use the eraser. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's just to tell me where the purple line is and where exactly I should actually erase from. So I don't want to erase anywhere, gotta make it look nice. So make sure you're on new layer 2 on your second layer. Then you're just gonna put it right in the middle, in the center, just like a little whatever it called. So then you're gonna delete your picture, just press on backspace. Then you're gonna click the visibility box off on background, and then you're gonna save your picture as whatever you want. So go to go to file, click save. Then you're gonna just rename it. I'm just gonna name it off the shoulder, red off the shoulder top. So then make sure you have PNG, and then you're gonna open up Roblox. So then you're gonna go to group. You have to have premium, by the way, to make these. Then you're gonna go to store. Then you're gonna click create or manage group items, and then on create a shirt, you have to click choose file, then open up the file of the shirt that you just made, and then you're just gonna name it whatever you want to name it. So right now I'm just adding some stars to it because that's what I put on all my clothes. So red off the shoulder top is gonna be the name. And then when you're done with that, you're just gonna click upload, then do the verification process. once you're done with that, you're gonna click configure to actually get it to sell, and then you're just gonna do whatever you want to put in the description of your shirt. You could put something like red off the shoulder top, or you could just put whatever you do. I like to put my group name, my group link, and then you're just gonna put the price. Make sure you turn on sale. Just make sure you go to sales and make sure you click save to actually get it to sell. So right now it ain't gonna show up because it hasn't finished loading. So whenever you upload a shirt, it usually takes like 5 to 6 minutes. Well, for me, but I don't know how much for y'all. So yeah, make sure to follow my account, join my group if you want. It's up to you, but yeah. Okay. Peace.